Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to cover the display flickering and blinking issue in the Realme X2 device, friends. So few of the users are facing this kind of problem, and one of the subscriber asked me recently this kind of question, friends. And definitely, if you are having any kind of question, do WhatsApp me to the given number, friends. And you need to send me the screenshot after subscribing to my channel. So as you can see, you need to just send me this kind of format. Subscribe to my channel, friends, and send me the screenshot, and you can ask the query you want. So definitely I'll be trying to do a video on that, friends. And these are my WhatsApp request videos, and it is one of the requests which was asked from one of the subscriber. So screen flickering issue. So definitely I'll be writing down all the requested videos in one paper, and I'll be trying to do a videos, friends. So similarly, if you are having any doubts regarding the smartphones, do message me in the WhatsApp. I'm pretty much happy to reply to you, friends, and just send me the screenshot after subscribing to my channel, because that will help me. And if you're wondering what live wallpaper I'm using, you can check the links in description for the wallpaper as well. So live wallpaper playlist. So let me get started with the screen flickering issue, friends. And first thing, if you're facing this kind of problem, go to the display and enable this option, low brightness flickering free eye. So if you enable this option, sometimes you may not notice flickering issue or blinking issue if you're facing in the Realme X2 device. But still, if you're facing the flickering issue, then there is another setting which you can change in the developer options in the Realme X2 device. So you need to go to the additional settings, and here you can find the developer option. So if you don't find any developer option, you need to go to the about phone, and you need to tap on the version. As you can see, if you tap 7 times, so you can get the developer mode activated. So why you will get the screen flickering option, let me explain you, friends. As you can see, there is one article which I found in the internet. So basically, the Android screen flickering issue occurs when the system hardware switches between CPU and GPU for displaying the content on the screen, friends. So every smartphone will be having the separate GPU and separate CPU processor. So depending on the content, the processor will be keep on changing and utilizing the CPU or GPU. So sometimes what happens is that during this process you will feel the change in the screen flickering. So now you can go to the developer options here. So just scroll down and go to the options called hardware accelerator rendering, as you can see, friends. So in these options you need to enable this option, as you can see. So disabling the hardware overlays, and always use GPU for the screen composting, as you can see, friends. So if you turn on this option, what it means is that every time the phone will use only the GPU, friends, not the CPU. So there won't be any change in terms of using. So you won't feel any screen flickering or flickering or blinking issues in the Realme X2 device. So this should solve the most of the problem. So definitely, friends, give it a try if you are facing this kind of problems in not only in the Realme X2 device, maybe in other smartphones as well. You can try this kind of trick, friends, and do subscribe to my channel, friends, for more videos, and WhatsApp me to the number given and send me the screenshot, and you can ask you a question what you want. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.